In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can half swipe here on Snapchat. If you want to read a message without fully opening it, this guide is going to be for you. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, have Snapchat opened up, you're going to land on the camera screen right here. If you swipe over, you'll see a little like chat icon. Go ahead and do that, and this is going to show you all those conversations right here. You're going to see group chats, individual messages, text messages, and what you're going to want to do is essentially just place a finger on the person's Bitmoji. For example, we'll use this girl up at the very top right. Go ahead and select her, and as you can see, if you kind of like swipe kind of slowly, it'll go ahead and do the half swipe for you. You don't want to swipe too fast, otherwise you're just going to open it. Instead, click on that Bitmoji and swipe slowly. Don't hold too long without sliding, otherwise it'll pull up like the chat thing itself. Just swipe slow, and if done correctly, you'll be able to preview the message. For example, we'll do this one right here. Bang, as you can see, we're good to go. And as long as you don't fully release into the chat, it won't mark the messages as opened. Then you could just slide your finger back and let go. But once again, if you swipe too far and release, it's going to fully open up that message. So just keep your finger controlled and steady. But that is how you can half swipe here on Snapchat. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.